In this video, we will show you how to enable hidden search on newest Windows 11. You can see this version is built to 5140. We can enable the hidden search. To enabling this feature, you can go to the GitHub, then open this link we put into the description of this video. You need to just download the 5.2. Then you can open the folder. You can extract. Okay, you can see here. You can copy this path of the folder. Now open the command prompt and right click, choose run as administrator and click yes. You need to go to the path of this application that you just copy. After that, you can execute this command. Okay, all the command and the link you can see on this description of this video. Then you can type the command 5.2 space add config space this number space 2 and hit the enter. Now you can see here, before we restart the computer, it's still no hidden search in here. We can restart our computer to see the effect. Okay, after restarting our computers, you can see here there is search button. You can type here to search. For example, you can select settings like this. This is like on Windows 10, but you need to enable this if you want make the search button is like this in the newest Windows 11. Okay, so many features on the newest Windows 11, like sign in option in here and the design of the start menu, and we will post about the newest feature on the newest Windows 11 in the next video. Hope this video helpful for you.